Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking sugar snap peas 101 and I've got some cooking and serving ideas for you. First of all, when you get your sugar snap peas and you're ready to use them, you want to give them a good wash first. And so just do that, and then some people will want to remove the little string that runs along the seam on the side. To do that, you just take the stem and just snap it off, and that's usually attached to the string, and you can just kind of pull it on down and it'll pull the string off. It's not mandatory to do that, to remove the string, but some people have an aversion to it and they really want to remove it, so feel free to do that. Once you do that, they're ready to be used in any way you want to use them. They can be enjoyed raw or cooked. They're sweet and they're crunchy. You can steam them, you can blanch them, boil them, braise them, sauté them, stir fry them, add them to soups and pasta dishes and even casseroles. So whatever you do when you're cooking other than soups and casseroles, you want to try to cook them as briefly as you possibly can to maintain that wonderful crispness that they have and that sweet flavor that they have. Anyway, I have some quick ideas for you. First of all, just eat them raw as a simple snack. They are delicious, just like they are. They're sweet, flavorful, and very crunchy. And so if you're looking for something to satisfy that crunch, instead of reaching for potato chips, reach for some sugar snap peas. You'll do your body a favor that way. You can also slice them and add them to your favorite salad. That's a good addition to a salad. How about sautéing the sugar snap peas and topping them with a little lemon zest and then some salt and pepper? Very simple, easy way to cook them. Sauté them very briefly and you'll be happy with that. You could also roast them. You can lightly coat them with some olive oil, sprinkle them with some garlic powder, put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or so. Do give them a stir halfway through and then allow them to roast until they're as crisp and as brown as you want them to be. Take them out, sprinkle them with a little Parmesan cheese, and they would be delicious. How about adding your sugar snap peas to a chicken or beef stir-fry dish? That would be good, and traditionally like an Asian type dish would be good. Now I've got an idea here. Stir fry your sugar snap peas with some shredded carrots, onion, garlic, salt, pepper, and even a little tamari. Serve it over cooked quinoa, and then top it with a little lemon juice or even white wine vinegar, just a little, and then throw on a little bit of toasted pepitas. That would be a nice meal all in itself. You can also add them to your favorite stir-fry noodle dish. That would be an easy way to throw some vegetables in there. How about adding your sugar snap peas to orange stir-fried chicken and serve that over a bed of rice? That would be yummy. How about slicing these sugar snap peas and add them to a veggie pizza? That would be an interesting topping to throw on there. Or you could blanch them for about 1.5 minutes, then cool them down in a bowl of ice water for 2 minutes, drain them, transfer them to a serving bowl, top them with your favorite Italian salad dressing. That sounds really easy and delicious. Well, if you have other ways that you like to serve sugar snap peas, share it with others in the comments section below. I do hope this helps. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.